Hi everyone, welcome back to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple Audible hack that lets you listen to audiobooks for free. Now you might be wondering, are there really free books on Audible? The answer is yes. Just search Audible Free Listens on Google and click the Audible page. There you'll find a bunch of free audiobooks such as classics, romance, mystery, sci-fi, and even Audible originals. You can pick a book you like, play it right away, or add it to your library. But here's the catch. Audible rotates these free titles, so they don't stay forever. And even though you can download books you've purchased, free ones don't give you that option. So, how do you keep them for good? That's where ViWizard Audible Converter comes in. With ViWizard, you can download and save any audiobook from your Audible library. I've dropped a free trial link below, so make sure to check it out. Here's how it works. Open ViWizard and log into your Audible account. Choose your output format and the folder where you want to save the files. Go to your library. Click the plus button, and select the titles you want. Hit the convert button to start downloading the book. Once the conversion finishes, you can find your files in the folder, play them with any media player, or transfer them to any device you like.
This is Audible. The life and adventures of...
If you want to explore more free ways to listen to Audible, check out our blog post linked in the description. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.